हेलो बच्चों, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल का एंड ऑफ पार्ट एक्सरसाइज पार्ट 3। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 देखिए, इसमें दिया हुआ है इफ द टेम्परेचर ऑफ ए लिक्विड कैन बी मेजर्ड इन केल्विन यूनिट्स एज XK and Fahrenheit units YF, the relationship between the two system of measurement of temperature is given by the linear equation. इक्वेशन क्या दी हुई है हमें? Y is equal to 9/5 and we have x minus 273 and plus 32. This is given in the standard format. Now the first thing is find the temperature of the liquid in the Fahrenheit if the temperature of the liquid is 313. So Kelvin unit, the temperature has been given in the Kelvin unit, so we have to find y, that is in Fahrenheit. So 9/5, put the value of x, which is Kelvin unit, 313 minus 273 plus 32, so that is 9/5 and that is 40 plus 32, so 58, so plus 32, that comes as 104 Fahrenheit, right, in the first. And in the second it says if the temperature is 158 Fahrenheit, right? Now the 158 Fahrenheit is given. 158 is equal to y, and that is 9/5 and then x minus 273. Now we have to find the x. So what we have to do is take the 32 over here. So 9/5 x minus 273 is equal to 158, and 32 will go here and that will become minus. So 9/5 x minus 273 is equal to, that is 6 and 2, 126. I am taking it here. So 9/5 x minus 273, 126, cross multiplication, 9x minus, this is, or rather what I would do, x minus 273 is equal to 126, and that will go here 5/9. It will reverse, right? Now 14, ठीक है, तो ये हो गया आपका 70 x minus 273. So x is 70 plus 273, so x is 343. 3 14 1 3. So x will be this one, right? So this is here where the x is given, here the y is given. So you have to find out the other way around, right? Now the next question is, question number 9, right? Let's read the question. The work done by a body on the application of a constant force is the product of the constant force and the distance traveled by the body in the direction of the force. Express this in the form of linear equation of two variables. ठीक है, तो जितना काम किया जाता है, that is work done is equal to, that is the product of force, right, multiplied by distance traveled. So this is the equation, right? Now in this situation it is saying what is the work done when the force is 3 and the distance traveled is 2 at a particular time. So obviously this is 6. Now it says this is you need to verify with the plotting into the graph. So I am getting the equation value so that we can plot into the graph. So I am taking here distance. In the x-axis I am taking distance, and there on the y-axis I am taking work, right? So if I am putting distance 0, so that work done is 0. If I am putting here distance 1, so that comes 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to work done 3. If I am putting here 2, so that is coming as 6. So I am putting here now in graph, right? In the x-axis, right? X-axis I'm taking distance, right? for your reference I'm writing here. For y-axis I'm taking work done, right? So first it says 0 0, so it will come over here, then 1 1, and on y-axis that is 3, so somewhere over here. Then 2 is 3, 2 and 6, 2 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, so it is somewhere over here. So if I am plotting, so this is coming like this, right? And it says what is the work done when the distance is 2. So distance is 2, I am taking distance over here. Okay, so this is clearly showing work done as 6, right? So this is showing 2 is 6, that means distance travel is 2 and the work done is 6 over here. So we can verify with the help of the graph as well what is the work done when the distance travel is 2. So this is clearly verifying that, right? Thank you. The next question is question number 14, which says what do all the linear function of the form fx ax plus a, where is a is greater than 0, have in common? That means we have been given the standard form fx is equal to ax plus a, where a is greater than 0, right? So what is the meaning of a over here? That is slope, right? Slope is equal to a, which is greater than 0. That means first thing, the slope will always be positive. That means positive means if we are depicting the line, that line will go like this to the upper side, right? In the second thing, let's say y-intercept, so x would be 0, so my function would be y is equal to a common x plus 1. So if I am putting 0 over here, right, so y would be a multiplied by 1 is equal to a. That means my coordinate will be x0 and y a. For third, for x intercept y would be 0, so my y is equal to a x plus 1, so I am putting y0, so a x plus 1, so that means x plus 1 is equal to 0 oblique a, that is nothing but 0, so x is equal to minus 1, so my coordinates will be x minus 1 and y 0. So these three will be common always in this form when we are given the function in this standard format where a is greater than 0, right? Thank you.